Hello everyone, I am back and I have a new digital that we have put in the shop on Etsy, and it's also in the coffee shop. I've had quite a bit of traffic in the coffee shop, and I don't think they are actually going to the Etsy shop, so I thought I would try putting it in both places and just see how that goes. This one is called the hot cocoa bar, and I had a lot of fun with it. It's not like what will normally be in my shop, but it is a fun kit because I love to have fun kits at Christmas time. I don't know what it is about Christmas, but I get away from kind of the shabby chic stuff and I just have fun with my journals. So this one was kind of like that, and just a lot of fun stuff and fun elements, and there is a lot of layering. I mean, I worked on this, oh my goodness, yesterday was the second day working on it, and for 8.5 hours straight, I sat here and worked on this thing, and I worked until 8:30 in the morning trying to finish this, and it still wasn't done. But 2 days, I mean, there's a good 20 hours in this kit because I'm still learning. I know the program pretty well, but just learning what I like, and I'm a perfectionist, which is ridiculous. It just drives me crazy. And to other people, they're looking at it like it's fine, and I'm like, no, and I have to print it out and then go back and I find one little thing wrong with it and I have to go back and change it. And it's a lot. So, props to all of you ladies who make digitals, because this is just crazy. I've had no time to make journals, and I'm a hands-on. Like, I want to be making the journals. Katie is going to be doing a lot of the digitals, and I'm going to be doing the journals. So, but right now she's got Amma. She's taking care of Leah, and so she's been busy. And I just decided I wanted to jump in and get some journals made, or digitals made. So I want to show you this one. This is the ephemera. There are, oh my goodness, 9 pages, if I'm not mistaken. We'll count them, of ephemera, I think. But these are the larger tags. I like the big tags. I do not care for small tags. I just don't use them. But I think next time, because I made 5 pages of tags, and I think next time I'll do 4 large tags and then 1 page of the small tags. That way, the people that do like the small tags, they'll still get some small tags. But this, of course, is like the large skinny journal. So these tags fit perfectly in there. But yeah, I like the large tags. And then every one of the tag pages have the word Fetty at the top, so you can cut that out and, use that wherever you want to. And so we have these 3 tags here, which are just adorable. I'm in love with the little gingerbread men everywhere and the little marshmallows. So I really wanted something that had like a hot cocoa bar. And the only one I found was it was really cheesy looking, and I didn't like it. So I didn't use that one. But I'm trying to get a pen for Katie so she can draw on her iPad. And Katie can draw. I cannot draw, so I'm just going to be honest. I can't draw a stick person at all. So these are so pretty. I liked this holly, as you can see here. Well, there's a lot. There's not just holly. There's pine and pine cones and berries, and I loved it. So I used it on 2 different ones. So we have the cream, and then we've got this sage green, and it's the same as the background pages. So, and then, of course, there's a lot of red, and I loved these mugs. And there's some more words up here. And then we have this one here. And I mean, it just seemed like everywhere there was the hot cocoa was gingerbread men. And of course, we got some cinnamon sticks and just really cute elements here. And then this one just has words and some cinnamon sticks and pine cones and things. And then this page is just a bunch of different mugs. So you can just cut out your hot cocoa mugs and put them like wherever you would want. And this one has some sayings, phrases, whatever on it that you can cut out and make some ephemera pieces, or just make your own tags, whatever you like. Now this is the 2 envelopes here, and they look like this. So this one right here, this is the front. We turn it over, it looks like that. She did a really good job matching that up. So that is what this one looks like. I really like it. It says mistletoe and hot cocoa, which I love that. I think that's really, really cute. So there's that one. And then this one right here is this one here. And it looks like that on the back. So Katie did the 2 envelopes. That's the ones that she did. I asked her to do the envelopes for me. Was running out of time. I'm trying to get ready to leave. Of course, right now it's late at night, but I'm leaving. I'm going to Gatlinburg for a week Christmas shopping. So I'm at the last minute trying to get stuff done. I was like, Katie, I need you to do the envelopes. So, okay, so this is the background pages. There are 10 background papers, and there's so much layering on these. I hope you guys like these. I think they're so fun and so festive, and I love all the greens and the reds together. I think they're so pretty. And as you can see, there's lots of pine needles, pine cones, berries, you know, all the way through it. And of course, you got your gingerbread man here and there, all with your hot cocoa. Everything's about hot cocoa. There's some mistletoe. So it says mistletoe and hot cocoa. I think this will make a really, really pretty journal. I had the Cardinal Christmas kit. Of course, it is in my coffee shop, and it is a freebie that I offered. And I made a journal with it, which, there's the journal. And oh my goodness, it's beautiful. And I'm getting ready to do a video for that right after this one. So, I don't know when it'll be posted, but it's getting ready to be made. I love that one. This one's kind of neat. This is like a, like a whole picture frame border. It says sweater weather. I think that one's really pretty. I love this coffee cup or hot cocoa mug. I think that's so pretty. I like these pine cones. These are different. The cinnamon sticks. Excuse me. Yeah, this took a long time to layer up and add everything to, but it was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it. And I had another kit I was working on that I really, really, really wanted to put out. And I don't want to say what it was because I still really want to get it out. It was the first one that I wanted to put out, but I just couldn't get it the way I wanted it. So it's just not done. But so there it is. This is the hot cocoa bar. And like I said, it is listed in my Etsy shop. And it is also on my coffee shop if you are interested. So let me know what you think and if you like it. And thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Have a blessed day. Bye.